what a beautiful setting sun there from the Dakota Magic Casino Skycam Network. A gorgeous evening out there, even though it is on the chilly side. Hey, Luther Family Ford sponsors our Weather Kids segment, and tonight we have Madison Carlson joining us. Madison, step on out here. How old are you, young lady?
I'm 10.
10. What grade are you in?
5th grade.
Okay, do you have a favorite subject in 5th grade?
I like math.
Ooh, give me 5. I'm a math person myself. I like those numbers. And somebody you want to say hi to tonight before we get started?
I want to say hi to my grandparents in Findlay.
Oh, well, give them a big wave. Findlay, we know where that is, right? Why don't you step right over here, and why don't you go ahead and tell everyone at home what the temperature is in Fargo right now?
It looks pretty normal for Fargo. 24 degrees, feels like 24.
Perfect. And the wind right now says calm, which is not normal for Fargo, right?
Yes.
Usually we need lots of hairspray, but today, calming down a little bit. Point out 1 or 2 temperatures out to the west. Just pick a town and tell me their temperature.
Here in Valley City, we have 21 degrees, and Grand Forks, we have 20 degrees here.
Beautiful job. Madison, have you done this before?
No.
No? Okay, well, you keep going. Now look off into Minnesota and tell me a couple temperatures you see there.
Detroit Lakes, we have 21, and Fergus Falls, we also have 21 here.
All right, and it looks like the coldest weather is out near Bemidji and Baudette in the middle teens, so they're still waiting for that warmer air. Here's a look at satellite, and satellite shows us clouds, right? Do you see a lot of clouds over our area tonight?
Not in Fargo, a little bit in Jamestown and Devil's Lake
Very
here.
good. Just a few clouds here and there for any real activity, but we have to take a real close look here and tell your family and friends there in Findlay what the weather is there right now.
Cool and 21.
Very good. So we're checking in on your relatives there. Where do you see a lot more cloud cover?
There's many in Canada up.
Very good. Many in Canada. Do you remember this state here for extra credit?
There's lots in Montana, too.
Montana, good, very good. So knowing your states when you're talking about the weather is good. And this is Michigan. And what's this blue stuff in Michigan?
There's lots of snow in Traverse City.
Very good. So this is that lake effect snow we were talking about. We don't have any of that in our area. And then what's this green stuff on the radar? What's going on there?
There's lots of rain in Houston, Texas here.
Very good. So we took a walk around the map where there is exciting weather. For us, the only excitement is cold. The forecast for this evening by 10 o'clock. Tell folks what they can expect the temperatures to do by 10.
By 10, it's supposed to be 19 in Fargo.
Good. And probably dipping down close to the single digits out to the east. Now, 19 in Fargo when we head to bed tonight. Watch what happens overnight. What happens to our temperatures by morning?
It gets a little bit warmer and it's much cloudier.
Good. So we have some warm air pushing in, and sometimes warm air comes with growing pains, right? So we get up into the low 20s by the morning, and then as we head into the midday hours, we get south winds, so it'll be breezy. Does it look sunny or cloudy during the lunch hour tomorrow?
Very cloudy.
Yeah, it looks like clouds for everybody. Sometimes warm air does that. It kicks off some clouds, and by the after-school time frame, what's this blue stuff all over Hutch's map?
There's lots of snow up in Steeps River.
Good.
Up there.
Up there. Is that your favorite thing, shoveling snow?
No.
No. So a few of you will get a little bit of snow, but it doesn't last all night. It'll just be an evening shot of snow. So do you think that sounds like a lot based on what we talked about earlier?
No.
Probably not. If we don't see snow lasting too long, maybe an inch or so. Why don't you give your classmates the morning bus stop forecast? Tell them what they can expect.
You guys can expect the 21 degrees with 11 miles per hour wind.
Good. A chilly start to the day, quite a few clouds, and how about after school?
After school, it'll be warmer with 36 degrees and 8 miles per hour wind.
Good, not too bad. 36, as warm as we've been for several days. Your hometown forecast shows a chance at 40 degrees in southeast North Dakota. And for the Findlay area, which is right about here, what do you think they might be tomorrow?
In the 30s, like
Good.
us.
Excellent work. And 30 degrees in Roseau. Here's a deer, speaking of hunting season. Rick capturing this 10-pointer out near Lake Ida. Here's a look at your planning forecast. Tell everybody what they can expect. Saturday, what does it look like?
Snow and rain mixed.
Good. And the temperature?
A high of 35 and a low of 25.
Very good. And on Sunday, does it get warmer or colder?
it gets much colder.
Much colder as we see temperatures diving down into the teens and single digits next week. When is our next chance of snow in the 7-day forecast?
Sunday?
Yep, so Sunday and then maybe a shot on Wednesday. Other than that, just looks like more cold weather. Madison, awesome job. You step right on over here. And, well, what's your favorite season? We talked about this before.
I like summer.
I like summer, and it hasn't been very summer-like out there. So that's why we've been really excited and getting Andrea excited about this 38-degree day tomorrow.
Oh,
she's
okay.
really looking forward to it.
I am now that you told me about it. Yeah. Thank
Good
you
job,
so much. It was
Madison.
great.